Here we are, we've just left Terry behind. Terry, man with no sense of humour, Scooby-Doo villain. He's gone. Tommy T being tailed by a swan at the moment. I see it's pissing it down. There's Mercer in the boat there, don't you see that? Just gonna... want me to get in the front? I'm not gonna make it on there, am I? But we're going to Braunton, it's on that side. I'm not. You're a maniac. I'm going to lose my battery at this rate. I'll get in the back surely. Tom's got the fucking TV on already.
Precision.
So close. Here is inside the wild hemrock. 4 outfits, beds, all our junk, more junk. And in here, that's the engine down there. So we'll be sleeping next to that. Here's the loo, which Terry described as a beast. There's a pedal to activate it. And then there's the bathroom in for a shower.
Should have closed the door.
Murto. I'm going out to the kitchen area now. Which is a great effort. And then table will be eating here. This actually drops down as well. To fit on this, it's a little notch to make a double bed. Nice. There's Tom Dagda as well. He's out front. Let's go through the door.
On the channel what? On the line?
He's on the phone. Very predictably talking about some nerdy sound stuff. No signal, entirely. Ariel is inside. He's got a hard drive. I think he's planning on running some terrorist operation in here. Tom, what's the hard drive about?
Sorry?
What's the hard drive about?
Oh, it's for watching like TV and films and stuff.
Excellent. And that's that.
I'm shit at guitar.
Brilliant, me too. Tommy T, delighted to be manning the Hemrock. Excellent. Thus concludes